Heidi ho there, friends and neighbors. Bobby here this evening, and I'm down at my parents' house, okay? And we were sitting here at the table just having some good conversation, and the conversation of some of my old toys, you know, that I had when I was a kid come up, and I accused my mother of throwing away my Evel Knievel toy, you know, that might be worth like thousands of dollars now. But anyway, my dad reminded me that there was a box of my stuff. Here's the stuff that was up in the attic of the house. And folks, I have not seen this in years. Now I did pull the tape on it just to make sure it was my stuff when I got up there. See, it says Bobby's stuff, but I have not unboxed this. So guys, we're gonna unbox this here together right now. We're gonna see what is in.
Where's Bobby's clothes?
Yeah, I don't know. We're gonna find out.
Ain't no damn toys in there.
Ain't no toys. My Evel Knievel might not be in here.
Well, that's the army outfit that you always wore when you went outside.
Oh yeah. See, this is my army outfit because this is like your old real army shirts, right?
I don't know if that's my real army shirt.
It's got your name on it.
It's got your name on it.
Well, I know, but I think your mama might have it.
Oh, she might have sewn your real army.
Well, no, it looks like what I had though. That looks like. What size is it inside?
I don't know. I ain't got my glasses on.
Wore out. Somebody wore it out.
Let's see in a minute. While
Friends,
you looking at that?
Here's another one. I have not seen this stuff since I was a kid. I'm telling you, friends. Here's another one. Army shirt. This one ain't got the name on it. I don't see the size on it. I don't even know if I can wear it. I'm gonna try it on here in a minute, friends.
Yeah,
Let's see what else we got in here. Oh boy. Oh my goodness. Folks, this is awesome. This here is a concert t-shirt that I bought when I saw ZZ Top in 1981 or 82 at the Charlotte Coliseum, friends and neighbors. That was the Eliminator Tour ZZ Top concert. And this might actually be worth a lot of money on eBay. This might be worth more than the Evel Knievel, Mom. Okay? Oh boy, look here. We have.
This was some of my old shirts, by the way.
We have
my fatigue shirts.
Is it really? It is.
Yeah.
The real deal Army shirts.
Yeah.
Awesome. Carolina football.
I might have worn them in Vietnam. I don't know. No, these long sleeves.
Half jersey right there. Okay. That's what that is, friends. I had that when I was a kid.
Everything you had in there.
This here. This is my Dallas Cowboys Tony Dorsett shirt. I wore the heck out of this shirt. Tony Dorsett was my favorite football player when I was a kid.
You wanted to be him. I
wanted to be him. That's right. All right, what else we got here? We got some more. I'm bringing all this stuff home.
Oh boy.
Oh yeah, here you are.
You took it out of the attic. Now it's yours.
That's your cowboy on the other side. That's the Roger Staubach.
Roger Staubach. He's got something. I don't know what that is on there.
Probably just dirt.
I don't know what that is. But see, we got more Cowboy stuff. Friends, I used to be a Dallas Cowboys fan, big time.
Watch the Redskins fan now.
Woohoo! Well, actually, I don't really watch any football anymore. Here is a Minnesota Vikings Fran Tarkenton jersey that I had. I don't know if you bought that for me or maybe
I had Betty to get them and mail them.
Oh, did you?
She didn't have to pay no tax up there.
Oh, okay. So that's where, okay.
There you go.
I got a relative, my mom's sister, my Aunt Betty, she lives in Minneapolis. So she bought those. Here is the my Clemson half shirt. That's it. I ain't seen this stuff in years. Here is a Bob Greasy football jersey, NFL jersey. It fit me when I was little.
Why did you just throw that one on the floor?
That's the one that had the stuff on it. Here is a Jack Daniels.
Why does it say Tex on the back?
Because I think my friends called me Tex or something when I was in like junior high school or something. So there you go. There's my
what's that? I want to know what the history of that is. Where did that come from?
Okay.
Where did Tex come from?
That's what
wow. I remember this shirt.
Oh my goodness.
A girl I used to date, she bought me this. I got kicked out of the Cub Scouts for eating a brownie. So there you go. I won't tell you who that was. Albemarle Road Junior
Look
High
at them
School.
little shorts.
This is my gym clothes. And here is this is an Albemarle Road jersey, football jersey, but this was not my number. But I think they sold them or give away the old jerseys one year. And maybe I bought one, and this is the one I was able to buy. But that wasn't my number when I played.
Don't tell everybody he was a wide receiver, huh?
Huh? No, I was offensive lineman. And here is another, I don't know how I ended up with this because I don't like the Steelers. Franco Harris jersey, Steelers.
That might have been before you become a Cowboy fan.
Yep. And here is another Stallback jersey right there. I had a bunch of these things, didn't I? Here we go with the gym shirt from Albemarle Road Junior High School. That's where I went to school at, junior high. Here's a pair. Oh, here's another one of the Army shirts, Dad.
Yeah, the reason I know that
That's
was
a
mine,
nine.
if you look at that one, you can't see it on that one, but that first one, I didn't get all the U.S. Army, the part torn off of it.
Oh, you did?
I
Yeah.
didn't want to have the U.S. Army on it.
Oh my God, this is what happened to this. Folks, friends and neighbors, I gotta tell you this story right now. Oh man, this is awesome. This is a warm-up jacket that I made
Oh boy.
myself in home economics class. Okay, hold on, this thing fits.
Oh God.
And friends and neighbors, you might be asking yourself, well, why did MintHillBilly take home economics class? Well, folks, it was so I could meet girls. That's why. And while I was in there, I learned how to sew. Check it out. Warm-up jacket I made. See, you got a zipper in it.
What happened to the pants?
I don't know. I don't know what happened to the pants. Anyway, let's see what we got here. We got one more. I can't wait to show this to the kids. This, oh, look here. Journey t-shirt, friends. I saw Journey. It was my very first concert I ever saw. Journey and Bryan Adams, 1982, Charlotte Coliseum. That's the shirt right there I got. I bought at the concert. All right, and we got one more article of clothing here. And this is something that looks like I drew myself. Bobby's Gym, and I drew like a picture of a muscle man on it. I don't know why I did that, but I did. Anyway, folks, there you go. That's my mystery box that's been in the attic for years.
Is that all the ones out there?
Rusty's got a mystery box.
Merry Christmas!
Thank you. This is awesome. These t-shirts, the Journey t-shirt and the ZZ top, I might be able to sell these, make some money.
Oh my goodness.
Folks, if you're interested in these old vintage rock concert t-shirts, leave a comment
What
down
about
below.
the football ones?
Huh?
What about
Yeah, the football ones too. They're worth money. They don't make them no more. Not that style. Not that same style of jersey.
Interesting.
All right, folks. Thanks for watching the video today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, home economics, good thing to do.
Do they even
Wouldn't
do
take
that anymore?
class. I don't even think they have that class anymore. Guys, they've done away with all the trade classes from school system. We got to get that back. Have a great day. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.